Hi everyone, my name is Pano Anthos, founder and managing director of XRC Labs. I am really pleased today to present, announce, and otherwise bring forward Diana Melencio, our new partner in the XRC Opportunity Funds. Diana, you've actually got a great history with us. We'd love to hear your career journey and network and how this has all come together.
Yeah, well, I started my career in traditional finance, working at large $12 billion plus funds. So Robertson Stevens in San Francisco, Kramer Rosenthal McGlynn in New York City. And then I've always sort of had this itch to start something on my own. So I started a couple companies. The first one was OK My Outfit, which is a mobile app that connected people with personal stylists. And then QUINN, which was an XRC Cohort 1 company, was a shopping logistics platform that connected consumers directly with multi-brand retailers. Our partners included Neiman Marcus, Lord & Taylor, Saks Fifth Avenue, all of which we couldn't have fostered without XRC, who provided those introductions. And then following those companies, I ran a family office venture fund called Wise Ventures. And then you gave me a call last year that you were opening up the Opportunity Fund, and I came on board as a partner early this year.
Yeah, it's an unusual situation that a founder who's kind of grown up in the accelerator turns around and becomes a partner to help others, which is really amazing. What are the big trends that you're really most excited about?
A couple of things, but I would say like the running theme is really sustainability, which is table stakes for companies nowadays. So that sustainability thread runs through alternative proteins, it runs through the rental market, it runs through beauty, which we have a partnership with Estee Lauder. That's really, if you look at the landscape of the 500 companies that we've sourced for them, all of them has this like sustainability, clean beauty theme running across all of them.
What about the categories? Like, there's healthcare, there's Bitcoin, there's blockchain. Like, what are you really excited about category-wise?
I'm excited about brands and technologies that address underserved communities. So silver tech is a space that I've started to dig into a little bit more. You can, menopause is one area within that silver tech space.
As opposed to gray tech. I love the way that silver tech.
It's sleeker.
Better euphemism,
for
sure.
Exactly. And then, I still think that the BIPOC consumer is still largely underserved, and that cuts across beauty education, fintech, commerce.
Right.
So those are areas that we're digging deep in.
When you kind of a wrap up, when we think about the founders, is there anything else that you would leave with them that they could also reach out to you for in terms of help?
Well, I'm always looking for great founders to invest in. Secondly, we're actually hiring for a principal for the Accelerator Fund.
And what are you looking for in that role?
I'm looking for someone that's deeply passionate about the spaces in which we invest, so retail and consumer. I'm looking for someone that's got exposure to early stage venture, whether that's as a founder or an operator or an investor in the space.
Or maybe even an associate.
Yeah, exactly.
At a venture fund, right?
Right, exactly.
Right. So they've got some deal exposure and sourcing exposure.
Yeah, and that can be on the founder side and the operator side.
Right, very cool. Yeah, and that person will be fairly autonomous, is that right? I mean, it's a pretty big responsibility, right?
Yeah, they're largely autonomous. It's a partner track role. XRC is growing, and I really want to communicate that there's opportunities within XRC to grow your career. And you'll also be mentoring and supporting two great associates.
Excellent. Well, great. Diana, super excited to have you on board.
Thank you. I'm
excited.
excited.
To kick things off, and looking forward to more.